In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Framer watermarks from your website. If you built a site in Framer on a free tier, you'll notice a Made with Framer attribution attached to your project. This watermark helps promote the platform, but once you're ready for a polished professional look, you'll want it gone. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it and what you need to do to remove it cleanly and permanently. Start by opening your Framer project and heading to the settings area. Look for the small gear icon in the interface. That's your shortcut to project settings. Clicking it opens a panel where you can manage everything from your site's metadata to publishing preferences. If you don't immediately see the options I mentioned, make sure you're viewing the project itself, not the overall workspace dashboard. Inside Settings, navigate to the section where your site information lives. You'll find fields like the site name and description. This is where you can spot the Made with Framer text that's attached to free projects. Depending on your configuration and theme, it might appear in your site description or show as a badge or footer element on published pages. The key thing to understand is that on the free tier, Framer branding is included by design and can't be removed in the editor. To disable that branding, you need to be on a paid plan. Upgrading unlocks the ability to remove Framer's watermark and gives you additional professional features for scaling your site. It's the official, supported way to present a white label experience. From the same settings area, click on Plans. This takes you to Framer's Plan Picker, where you can compare options. Review what each plan includes, especially branding removal and any limits on pages, visitors, or collaborators. Choose the plan that aligns with your current needs and your growth plans. If you're building for a client, confirming that branding removal is included in your chosen tier is a good double check before you proceed. Once you select the plan you want and complete the upgrade, Framer will automatically remove the attribution from your project. You should see the change reflected in your site settings and across your live pages shortly after the upgrade processes. If it doesn't appear right away in the editor preview, give it a moment and refresh your view. That's it. Open Settings, locate the Made with Framer text in your site info, upgrade through the plans page, and the watermark is gone. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaner, more professional Framer site.